Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be honey chicken wings. These delicious honey chicken wings are juicy, soft, aromatic, warm and full of flavors. These are one of the best honey chicken wings which are coated in a blend of spices, then fried to a noisy crisp and then blended in the best honey sauce. I tried this recipe for the first time and it was a tremendous hit. So let's have a look on how to make it. But before that, let's have the intro. So first, we will be taking half kg of chicken wings, which are washed thoroughly and pat dried with a paper towel. Today I'll be showing you how to attain a perfect wing at home. Take a chopping board and a sharp knife. We have to divide this wing into three parts. The first one is the smaller part, which we are going to discard, and the second one we are going to divide it into two parts. One will be the wing and the other will be the lollipop, which is used to make lollipop 65. It's as simple as that. Discard the smaller portion and divide this piece into two parts. Check for the bone and run your knife away from the bone. Here you get your wing and that's another lollipop. Similarly, repeat it with all the pieces. You can also remove the skin if you want, but I prefer to keep it. Be careful while using a sharp knife as it can slip into your fingers. Look, it's so simple. Perfect wing and a perfect lollipop has been attained. As I already told you, let's discard this portion. Keep it aside and let's make the coating. For the marination or coating, add about half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of red chilli flakes, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, salt 1 teaspoon, and give this a good mix. Keep this aside and take about 2 cups of chilled water in a bowl. Now take each one of the chicken wing and coat it in the all-purpose flour. Once it has been coated, rest it in chilled water for about 10 seconds. Remove it from the water and then coat it again in the flour. Repeat the same process with all the wings. This is done to ensure that the coating doesn't leave while the chicken is being deep fried. Repeat the same process with all the chicken wings. Coat it in flour, rest it in chill water for 10 seconds, again coat with flour and then keep aside. As you can see, I have coated all the wings. Now allow it to rest in the freezer for about an hour. Don't forget to cover it with a cling wrap. It's been an hour now, so the next step is to get them fried. Heat up a pan and add about half cup of oil. Once the oil heats up, add in the frozen chicken wings. This can be served as an amazing party snack or a starter. Fry them until they turn golden brown on both sides. Make sure the flame is low. I have divided them into two batches. Once they have been perfectly done, remove it in a paper towel and keep them aside. This entire process should be done only in a very low flame. They are golden and crisp from outside. The last and final process is to make the spicy and sweet honey sauce. So the ingredients will be half cup of finely chopped capsicum, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 4 to 5 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, finely chopped spring onions, tomato sauce 2 tablespoons. Heat up a pan, preferably a wok, and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, To that, add the finely chopped garlic and saute it for about 10 seconds. Make sure they don't burn. Now add in the finely chopped capsicum and saute them for about a minute. You don't have to cook them completely, just saute until they are soft. A crunchy texture must be present. Add in about half teaspoon of salt and give it a good mix. Adjust the spice level to your taste. I am adding about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and give it a good mix. To this, add the finely chopped spring onions and saute them for about 30 seconds. Save a very few for the garnishing. Once everything has been mixed well, add in the sauces. Tomato sauce 2 tablespoons, soya sauce 1 tablespoon. You can also add barbecue sauce if you like. Give everything a good mix. Make sure the flame is on low. Add about 2 tablespoons of water if you want a semi-thick gravy. Allow the sauce to boil for a minute and then add the fried chicken wings. Coat them very well with the sauce and make sure the flame is on high. Toss them and coat them well with the sauce. Once it has been coated well, reduce the flame to low and add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix well until the honey gets coated and glazed well with the chicken wings. They turned out to be extremely tasty and we all enjoyed it a lot. Make sure you try this recipe out for your family. Don't forget to leave a like and comment. There you go. The honey glazed chicken wings are ready to be gulped and relished. Let's serve them and get them plated. Fried rice really goes well with these. For more such amazing and unique content, subscribe to Aziba's Cuisine. Make sure to like and follow us on the Instagram and Facebook pages. Link is in the description below. Until then, it's signing out here from Aziba's Cuisine. Make sure you stay safe and stay home.